What is SPAY? The term specie is historically referred to as currency in the form of coins rather than notes. SPAY is an acronym of SpeciePay. SpeciePay token is the instinctive token of the SPAY financial ecosystem. SPAY will be representative of a BEP20 token standard on the Binance Smart Chain. What is DeFi? DeFi is decentralized finance blockchain-based technology. Key products: FYG, friction yield generation, farming, stacking, NFT, non-fungible tokens, and swapping. Reward: SPAY staking will give you 200% APY on your tokens. We are offering total supply 32 million tokens and for pre-sale 9.6 million tokens. Charity distribution: SpeciePay has committed to allocate 2% of its total token sales for charity. Charity for ESG causes. Charity Save the Children. Transaction fee is 1% and will distribute amongst token holder.